Welcome back to the Coding Problems series. Today, we are going to learn how to convert an infix expression to a prefix expression. This is a common problem in data structures exams and interviews. First, let's understand the difference. Infix is what we are used to, where the operator sits between two values, like a plus b prefix, also called Polish notation, places the operator before the values, like plus a b. The easiest way to perform this conversion programmatically is using a three-step strategy. Step 1, reverse the expression. Step 2, convert that to postfix. And Step 3, reverse it again. It is that simple. Let's look at Step 1. When we reverse the string, we swap the characters' order. But there is a catch. You must also swap the parentheses. An opening bracket becomes a closing bracket, and vice versa. Step 2 is the core logic. We scan the string. We print operands immediately. But for operators, we use a stack based on precedence. Powers are highest, followed by multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. After we get the intermediate result, which looks like a postfix expression, we simply reverse it one last time. This final flip gives us the correct prefix notation. Let's trace a plus b multiplied by c. We first reverse it. Then we process it using a stack. The multiplication has higher precedence, but the brackets force the addition to happen first in the logic. Notice how the stack handles the operators. Comparing the stages, we started with the infix a plus b multiplied by c. The intermediate step gave us cb a plus multiplied. Reversing that gives the final prefix, multiply plus a, b, c. Here is a slightly more complex one with subtraction and multiplication. K plus L minus M multiplied by N. By following the reverse-postfix-reverse method, we ensure the order of operations is preserved perfectly in the final prefix string. Why do we have these different forms? Infix is great for humans, but computers prefer prefix or postfix because they don't need complex rules for parentheses and precedence to evaluate the math. To summarize, prefix notation removes the need for brackets entirely. It eliminates ambiguity about which operation happens first, making it very efficient for compilers to parse and evaluate. I hope this cleared up the conversion process. Try solving the practice problem on the screen to test your understanding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.